Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair here. We got our tonight's video, or tomorrow's video, whatever time you look at it. Please like and subscribe because I don't get paid for these videos. I don't have a backer. I don't have anything. Please like and subscribe. I got like 90% of people watching these that are not subscribed. It doesn't cost you a thing. Just hit that subscribe button. And like I said, on with the video. Hey everybody, we're back. This is the third PlayStation 2 Slim. It doesn't read discs. It is a Scph 75001 AU 80309. Looks like 11. Here's your PK serial code that Sony would use. This was a Gamestop refurbished special. Gamestop, void refurbished, void if removed. Oh no. Does not read discs. Like I said, go ahead and get this thing apart and another laser swap, folks. I'll be right back. We're back, folks. We're in. Just want to make a note on this. This thing looks like it's been dropped. Probably out of a sideways stand or something, because that's how you break these. So, just want to let you know that. That's why I don't put these in unless I have a proper stand. An OEM stand, to be honest with you. But yeah, there's your laser. I've got a stockpile. I'm sitting right next to me, ready to go because of this series. Yeah, I bought 12 lasers. I worked one of them, so I'm down to 11. I have a couple for spares, but that doesn't mean that they're going to be spares. Anyways, same procedure as before. Yeah, there's your CR, your Cosmos battery. Replacing those are fun because you gotta find a 2032-PA. That looks like a Panasonic. Go ahead and get that little piece out the way. I said, don't lose parts. You're asking for trouble at that point. Slide your pole out. Like I said, Chinese decks, don't buy them. You're wasting your time, folks. Stick with the OEM stuff. Sorry about that, I almost dropped it. I've had them run backwards. I've had them not run at all. I've even put a different laser in one of them once. It didn't run right because these decks. Oh, there's that plastic piece. Won't lose that either. These decks are not designed to run in every slim model. So here we go. Sometimes a little bit of help goes a little long way with a flat blade screwdriver. Like I said before, ooh, this one's been replaced. Look at that, folks. That is a replacement laser. Holy crap, Gamestop put a replacement laser in here? Sorry about that, folks. Hit the wrong button again. I hate when I do that. But anyways, Gamestop put a replacement laser in here. That's a little odd. Like I said, it's out. I'm going to get it swapped out. I'm going to clean all the stuff up and I'll be right back. Alright folks, we're back together. Laser swap is complete. I'll go ahead and turn it on. This one sounds like a jet engine going off. But I don't care. I only care about functionality. This one has a dodgy switch. Front door switch is dodgy on this one. Whoop. Am I gonna fix it? No. I'm not gonna find a complete door with a flag switch with LEDs and all that stuff, no. And the IR sensor and all that, that's not gonna happen. It works, moving on. This one wouldn't read CDs. No, it does. I said I tested all these off camera. It's faster for me. Whoop. We now have 3 successful laser repairs. First one I screwed up. That was my fault. That's why I said you gotta be careful when you're taking those anti-statics off. So that's why I always order more, 3 more than what I need. So I'll tell you this right now. Once these lasers, all these lasers go bye-bye, you're gonna see abundance of these on eBay, which they already are now.
Welcome to Ford Racing 3.
See if this bad boy's got rumble, huh?
Single player. Ford. Movie car chases. Car selected.
I'm gonna do a PlayStation disc and I'll end the video. Like I said, this is a repair-a-thon, so. This one has rumble. So we're going to pause it, reset. Watch me drop a disc. Put Rage Racer in here. Like I said, dodgy front switch. You can probably use deoxit on those, but come on. Like I said, this one has a dodgy front switch. That's not my issue. I can put a different flag board in it if I wanted to.
Unsold the speed. Rage Racer.
I just don't have any.
Racers, start your engines.
And let's get it on.
Three, two, one, go! The race is on. Show 'em what you've got.
Alright folks, that's going to be the end for this one. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. And like I said, this is a slim repair-a-thon. Like I said, I already got 3 dead lasers. We'll see if we can fix all 8. Or all 9 actually. And see if we can achieve 100% repairability here. Oops. I'm going to try working that flag in and out a couple times and go from there. Like I said, I'll catch you on the next one.